The effects of sound on our energy fields. Understanding that you exist beyond the basic limits of your physique confront you with many concerns. Where does your energy field truly end? Are you genuinely connected to other energy fields such as those of other individuals, plants, trees, the earth, and why not of stars and worlds? What remains on an energy level after your death? Where do your innate qualities come from? How do they move from one life to another? Where are they before your birth and where do they go? Where is the seat of your spirit, of your eye? Where are your sensations generated? There are a great number of details in your energy fields. I cannot mention them all in this course. They would belong to a thorough research filled with interesting information and need to be dealt with in other places. There seems to be a universal law that says lower vibration draws in greater vibration. This is highly likely a part of the wider law of attraction. A second law follows this. Higher vibration accelerates lower vibration and assists to bring it as much as its own level. A third law is popular in spiritual healing. Energy follows idea. A fourth law states changed and released energy relocations upwards. Energy moves eventually towards the source. There are other universal laws such as the law of karmic cause and effect, the law of love, and the law of truth. Sound healing runs within these laws. Spiritual energy is the fastest moving energy you get rid of. It can hence be used to transform emotional blockages that vibrate at a much lower frequency. Emotional blockages are literally vicious circles comprised of emotions and thought patterns, old belief structures such as "I cannot possibly alter this," that are locked in on themselves. These thoughts create density similar to muscular stress produces density. These psychological clogs can resist awareness. You require a higher vibration, a higher understanding to get into such a vicious circle. Sound can be utilized as an enhance or guide to consciousness because it can bring energy into denser areas and trigger them. This activation through sound is a momentary phenomenon. It develops a short-lived opening. When a greater vibration is used, awareness can follow a sound, bringing its energy there and observing what is being triggered. With the assistance of sound and quick spiritual energies such as love, empathy, and fact, awareness can change psychological clogs. The change involves a discovering procedure at a mental level where old beliefs need to be transformed. You can call this procedure consciousness development. The dissolution of a vicious circle can sometimes be heard as a popping sound in meditation or throughout energy exercises. Once the learning has actually been achieved, the energy is released. This is the basic idea. You need to keep in mind two realities. Though you can spot a vicious cycle in a particular area of your energy fields, it likewise has implications, for it is linked to other levels of awareness. Everything does not occur around just one spot in your aura. Secondly, there are 5 factors participating in sound healing. This makes the process more complicated,